Apple caramel upside down cake. A delicious treat for all seasons. Let's make it. Bismillah. First preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease the 8-inch cake pan. Spread 3/4 cup of caramel sauce. I already shared the caramel sauce recipe. Link is in the description below. Or you can use store-bought caramel sauce. Arrange the apple slices. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix it all together. Set aside. In another mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 eggs. Mix well. And add to flour mix. Combine well until smooth. Add 1/2 cup of salted caramel chips, optional. Don't overmix it. Add this mixture to cake pan. Bake it in preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until cooked through. Check it out by inserting wooden pick. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Remove it from the oven. Before serving, wait 10 minutes. Flip it over to serving plate. And it's ready to enjoy. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Check out the texture and softness of the cake. Thanks for watching.